Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Techavro. Hope you guys are having a great day. In this video I'm going to walk through how can you delete YouTube cache on iPhone or iPad. So guys, let me warn you at first that if you don't have the data to reinstall YouTube, you cannot just delete cache, because the only way to delete cache on YouTube that you need to just delete the app. So let's just delete the app. Go to settings, go to general, go to iPhone storage and just simply find YouTube and delete the app. Here you can see YouTube and here you can see delete app. Just click on delete app and click on delete app again, and after that you need to just go to your app store, and after going to your app store, in the bottom right here you can see search icon. Just search for YouTube and download YouTube again, and by doing that your YouTube cache will be cleared. Only this way you can clear your YouTube cache. Other than this, there is no way you can clear it. So guys, hope you find it helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Techavro. Thank you so much for watching the video.